How to log in to ActivoBank Portugal online banking or create an account. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to log in into Activo Portugal online banking or even create an account. It's very simple. Now, if you're going to be choosing the ActivoBank via the application on your mobile device or on the web version of ActivoBank using your laptop or PC, all the processes are going to be the same. So say for example, you had here for you to log in and just by simply clicking this option here that says login, and you will have to input your password and your passkeys. To create an account, just choose on this option here that says open an account, and then you will be redirected into these tabs. So you can choose either of these options. If you would like it digitally, you can choose on digital mobile key, via video call, or via in person. Now, for video call, you just need to upload supporting documents, to schedule a call, and then sign contract for your pack online. But for in person, you'll have to check the nearest Activo Bank on your area and then choose the second option for you to find it via on the map. For digital key, you just need to access or scan this QR code and then provide them your digital mobile key associated with your ID, sign your contract package, and confirm your data. And that's it. That's how you create an account with ActivoBank Portugal online banking and as well as log in.